the week. I have a policy, but how do I know if it's a good policy? Should I start over or get rid of it? First of all, if you have a life insurance policy, please just don't get rid of it before you know what you have. Even if you have something that's not the best, we don't want you to get rid of it before we can take a look at it and see what you might be able to do to replace it with something that's better. Because even if it's not a policy that will work well for growing and creating sustainable wealth, it still is providing you life insurance coverage, so we don't want you to be without the coverage if you're going to replace it and get a better policy. If you have a life insurance policy, the best thing to do is to send it to our office, and you can either send it via email or you can email us and ask us for the secure link, and you can upload it directly to our website. We will take a look at the life insurance policy that you have, see how it's working for you now, see if there's something better that you could have, and then make recommendations. If you have a good policy, we're going to tell you that. There's no sense in replacing something that's already working well for you. If it's not the best policy, or if you could get something better that will do better for you in your future, we're going to let you know that as well. Once we've taken a look at the policy and you know if you need to replace it, then we're going to show you some options for how you can replace it and get an effective policy that's going to work really well for you. And if you have a good policy, then you're going to know, and you're going to have the peace of mind knowing that what you did purchase is indeed going to be the best for you. So contact us, let us know how we can assist you. If you have a policy, send it to us and we'll do that review for you. That's a complimentary review, and we'll look forward to talking with you.